生命，生命，生命。
Life.
Life.
绿色是象征生命的颜色。绿色是象征生命的颜色。绿色是象征生命的颜色。
Green is the color that symbolizes life.
Green is the color that symbolizes life.
只要有创造力就有生命力。只要有创造力就有生命力。只要有创造力就有生命力。
As long as there is creativity, there is vitality.
As long as there is creativity, there is vitality.
我们要好好爱惜自己的生命，让自己活得更健康、更快乐。我们要好好爱惜自己的生命，让自己活得更健康、更快乐。我们要好好爱惜自己的生命，让自己活得更健康、更快乐。
We should cherish our lives and make ourselves live healthier and happier.
We should cherish our lives and make ourselves live healthier and happier.
缺少，缺少，缺少。
Lack.
Lack.
手机是现代生活中不可缺少的一部分。手机是现代生活中不可缺少的一部分。手机是现代生活中不可缺少的一部分。
Cell phones are an indispensable part of modern life.
Cell phones are an indispensable part of modern life.
孩子缺少父母的关心，性格会变得胆小怕事。孩子缺少父母的关心，性格会变得胆小怕事。孩子缺少父母的关心，性格会变得胆小怕事。
Children who lack parental care will become timid and fearful of getting into trouble.
Children who lack parental care will become timid and fearful of getting into trouble.
夫妻之间如果缺少交流，婚姻就会出现危机。夫妻之间如果缺少交流，婚姻就会出现危机。夫妻之间如果缺少交流，婚姻就会出现危机。
If there is a lack of communication between husband and wife, the marriage will be in crisis.
If there is a lack of communication between husband and wife, the marriage will be in crisis.
到处，到处，到处。
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
自从我和他闹翻之后，他就到处说我的坏话。自从我和他闹翻之后，他就到处说我的坏话。自从我和他闹翻之后，他就到处说我的坏话。
Ever since I fell out with her, she's been talking bad about me everywhere.
Ever since I fell out with her, she's been talking bad about me everywhere.
这里的环境很差，到处都是垃圾。这里的环境很差，到处都是垃圾。这里的环境很差，到处都是垃圾。
The environment here is very bad, garbage is everywhere.
The environment here is very bad, garbage is everywhere.
他是新来的同事，你带他到处参观一下。他是新来的同事，你带他到处参观一下。他是新来的同事，你带他到处参观一下。
He is a new colleague. You show him around.
He is a new colleague. You show him around.
妈妈正在烤饼干，到处都是饼干的香味。妈妈正在烤饼干，到处都是饼干的香味。妈妈正在烤饼干，到处都是饼干的香味。
Mom is baking cookies, and the smell of cookies is everywhere.
Mom is baking cookies, and the smell of cookies is everywhere.
态度，态度，态度。
Attitude.
Attitude.
他的态度傲慢，很多人不喜欢他。他的态度傲慢，很多人不喜欢他。他的态度傲慢，很多人不喜欢他。
His attitude was arrogant, and many people disliked him.
His attitude was arrogant, and many people disliked him.
我们必须保持积极向上的生活态度。我们必须保持积极向上的生活态度。我们必须保持积极向上的生活态度。
We must maintain a positive attitude towards life.
We must maintain a positive attitude towards life.
他工作态度认真，深受领导的赏识。他工作态度认真，深受领导的赏识。他工作态度认真，深受领导的赏识。
He has a serious work attitude and is deeply appreciated by his leaders.
He has a serious work attitude and is deeply appreciated by his leaders.
他的态度非常坚决，任何人都无法改变他的决定。他的态度非常坚决，任何人都无法改变他的决定。他的态度非常坚决，任何人都无法改变他的决定。
His attitude is very firm, and no one can change his decision.
His attitude is very firm, and no one can change his decision.
因此，因此，因此。
Therefore. So.
Therefore. So.
他的判断能力很强，因此受到领导的重视。他的判断能力很强，因此受到领导的重视。他的判断能力很强，因此受到领导的重视。
His judgment ability is very strong, so he is valued by leaders.
His judgment ability is very strong, so he is valued by leaders.
他工作勤奋努力，因此他得到的奖金最多。他工作勤奋努力，因此他得到的奖金最多。他工作勤奋努力，因此他得到的奖金最多。
He works hard, so he gets the most bonuses.
He works hard, so he gets the most bonuses.
他为人友好又幽默，因此大家都很喜欢他。他为人友好又幽默，因此大家都很喜欢他。他为人友好又幽默，因此大家都很喜欢他。
He is friendly and humorous, so everyone likes him.
He is friendly and humorous, so everyone likes him.
谢谢观看。